Alright guys, check out the engine bay. Yeah, look at that. I should have plenty of room over there for them headers to fit. All that space, but... Alright guys, I got the headers off. This was the exhaust. First thing I did was take the 3 bolts out of the downpipe. And you obviously just take the bolts out the headers. Pretty simple, straightforward. I mean, headers up and out, downpipe bottom and through. I'm gonna replace these studs in a second, but I just want to show you what I had on this bad boy. It was literally just downpipe, single cat, and it ended right here. And this is some small exhaust piping. Definitely gonna upgrade. I'm about to cut these cats off, separate the cats, check it, see if it's good. Might hollow it out, I'm not sure yet. If I hollow it out, I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut it right here into a half a square, a 3-sided square, peel it back and gut it, or if I'm just gonna stab it through. I'll probably stab it through. But I don't know if I'm even gonna do that yet. Alright, just installed the header stud kit that I also got with the headers. As you can see, I used the double nut method to get them on and to get them off. There's all my old bolts hardware. I would like to film and show you guys the process, but it's kind of hard to want to get it done and film. Film's a big process too, but let's do it. Alright guys, the moment.
Okay.
It's recording.
You're gonna start it up?
It's already recording.
It's already recording.
Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. This is the moment where I test fit to see if these headers right here are actually going to fit into this space, because this is a camper, but it's also 85. You know what I'm saying. Alright, here Roy.
Yes sir.
Got the headers, the LCE headers.
The man, the myth.
And this is them. And we're going to see if they fit on my Toyota motorhome. Baby girl. Squeezing there.
Oh.
Looks like they fit perfect.
Hot damn.
Look at that.
There he goes.
Thanks, Roy. Looks like they fit perfect. They clear perfect. And they look sexy, boy. Got the headers on. All the studs in perfectly, luckily. You can see how it clears so nicely right there. Alright, so we just got the downpipe on right here. We got the O2 sensor on. We extended the wire, heat shrunk wrap it, ran the O2 sensor. And my buddy Leo's about to have me film me starting it. Without the cats. Definitely putting the cats on, huh, Leo? Yeah. We're about to throw that on. Alright, got the headers on. They clear nicely. You come down here. I ran them down there with my O2 sensor up here. Got the headers on. All the studs in perfectly, luckily. You can see how it clears so nicely right there. Okay, so everything's hooked back up. Wires are ran, headers are there. Okay guys, we're about to do a test ride in this bad boy. The headers are installed. I want to show you what I got going on over here. The only thing I could be upset about is right there. The exhaust clamp is rubbing on against my bar right here. But I ordered a flat exhaust clamp and I'm gonna put the flat ones on there to give me that little bit of space. But so far I got it hooked up to my stock cat, and then I got that hooked up to the old rusty 1 7/8 exhaust pipe that was on it before. And I'm gonna take it for a test cruise real fast and see what it feels like. Alright, let me fire this bad boy up. Got my little diesel heater ticking right there. Blowing some hot air in my art rig, so it's really nice. But yeah, let's fire this bad girl up. And see how she runs. You can kind of hear the exhaust clamp I showed. And tapping on my traction bar. I ordered flatter exhaust clamps off Amazon. I'm gonna slap them bad boys on. My Speedo's broke, so I can't really show you anything on that side, but I had noticed it feels a little bit better through the gears, guys. It sounds good, man. It sounds really sweet. Definitely can feel like it's a little bit more responsive. The engine's a little bit more coming to life. Yeah, she definitely cruises, guys. Sounds a lot better too. I wish I could get better videos for you, but alright guys, I guess that's it. I'm really happy with the install. The truck feels a lot better. Sounds better. I'm sure once I get some back pressure back there, once I get them to install the cat back and all that good stuff. But thanks for checking out this little video, and hopefully it helped you out on deciding whether or not you're gonna get these headers. Alright, peace.